Hello, in this video, I will tell you about making tulips. This way I made 2. Now I can switch to materials. I will do it with red rope, later green, and we have flower wire like this. I will use 2.2mm tee. Now I can knit. This is how I start with the magic ring. Inside 6. I do injections often. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm joining my ring. Then I will double sync all my loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12. I'm coming to my 3rd place and one only in my 3rd place. I will make a couple. I did it alone. I'm making a couple. Single. I will continue until the end of my double row. I'm coming 4th. Here are 2 single. I will make a couple. 1 or 2 single. A couple. I will continue this until the end of my turn. 2 single, 1 double. I had 24 frequent needles at the end of my 4th row. I'm coming to my 5th row and 3 singles in my 5th row. 1. I will double. 1, 2. I made 3 single. I'm making a couple. I will continue until the end of my turn. At the end of my turn, I'll have 30 frequent needles. I'm coming to my 6th place. In the 6th row, 4 singles. I will make a couple. I will continue the same way until the end of my turn. I will have 36 problems at the end of my turn. We're coming to my 7th place. I continue to increase in the 7th place. 5 single. I will make a couple. 2, 3, 4. I made 5 singles. I make 1 pair. I will continue until the end of my turn 40 at the end of my turn. Yes. I had 42 frequent needles at the end of the 7th row. I'm coming to 8th place. Also in 8th place, 6 single. I will make a couple. 2, 3, 4, 5. I made 6 single. I'm making a couple. At the end of my turn, there will be 48 beards. Yes, I finished my boosts like this. Now 48 frequent needles along 11 rows. E straight. I will continue to knit without increasing and decreasing, sinking into all my landings one by one. I will knit straight for 11 rows. Yes, 48 frequent needles along 11 rows. Yeah, I knitted it straight. And I cut my rope. Now I will fill fiber in it first. Later too. In this way, mutually. I will sew first. I will fill my leaf. After filling, I pass the needle as opposed by. Like this, mutually. I will sew. Like this. Later. That way. Passing the trebles through the B parts. From here, in the middle. Laid it this way. Pulling the rope tight. The fibers that come out are like this. I will place. This way of sewing. I'm done. Now we will go to the making of the leaf. Yes, I make your leaf with green rope. First, I pull 25 chains, if you wish, into the leaf like this. You can also place the wire. Now I'll knit with the wire. Burden from the second chain. I will place the wire. I start with frequent needles. Like this. I gave frequent injections. I give one more injection next to you. Then I'll do HDC. I got in the top and I'm pulling it all together then. 18 of them. Sweat is also with knitting. I will continue. 18 DCs. Then I do HDC to the one next to you. All I took on. I'm shooting then one. Bye. Last one. W3. I often give injections to the same place. Now I turn the other side of the chain. I start with a needle again, often. Then HDC. 18 again. I'm doing DC. The other side of the chain. After 18 TC. 1 HTC. Then here. On X. And swipe down. I'm combining with term. Cutting my rope. Later. We will switch to wire placement here. Yes, with the help of hot silicone, I join the wire here. Later as follows. Show! From here, I'm full. I'm a little full. Then we will place the leaf. Yes, I filled it a little like this. Later as follows. Leaf. I will place. With wire like this. Then you can also stick with hot silicone, if you wish. I'll keep going like this. This way. Circling until it's over. Yes, this is how we finished the construction of the tulip. If you wish for putting such a wire on its leaves, can be fixed. Thank you for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Goodbye.